you'll want to round up. So for instance, when you measure the urine, if your urine falls between the 150 tick mark and the 175 tick mark, you'll want to record 175, okay? So I'm measuring my urine now. It's 100 mils. So now what I'm going to do is empty the contents of the measuring container into the toilet, making sure it does not splatter or splash. Then I'm going to go to the sink and I'm going to rinse. Now, I always tell my students, look, in order to avoid temptation, right? Emptying that rinse into the sink, when you pour that water, turn off the faucet and walk away immediately, right? Walk back towards the toilet. That way you won't be tempted to pour the rinse into the sink, okay? Just like I just did. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rinse into the toilet, making sure again that it does not splatter or splash. Then you'll need to dry out the container. Okay, so I just got some paper towels and I'm drying out the container inside and out. I'm going to throw that paper towel away. Then I'm going to place the used measuring container back on the designated dirty table. All right. Now I'm going to remove my gloves without contaminating myself. I'll dispose of the gloves in the trash can. Now I'll verbalize washing my hands. Go back to the table, and now it's time to measure the urine, okay? So I just want to show you the measuring form that PROMETRIC uses for intake and output, okay, the I&O form. You're going to have two tables. The top table is intake. I'm gonna bring it a little closer to the camera so you can see. And the second table is output. You'll want to make sure when you record your measurement, you record on the output table. If you record on the intake table, guys, you're gonna fail the skill, okay? So make sure you record on the output table. You see there's 4 columns. You have a column for time, a column for the type of substance that you measured, the amount, and then your initials, and then underneath you have a line for a signature. So you want to make sure you fill in all tables and the signature line. So right now it's 2:15, so I'm going to put 14:15. That's military time. You can always just put 2:15 p.m. The substance that I measured was urine. It was 100 milliliters. I'm going to put my initials and then my signature. I will verbalize washing hands, skill complete. Okay, so this is how your form should look. I'm hoping that you all can see it. Okay, I've recorded the time, I recorded what substance I measured, I recorded the amount I measured with the unit of measurement, and then I also recorded my initials, and then I signed it on the signature line. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so excited about the new format that I'm using to bring you all these videos. Hey, comment below if you are liking this comment. If you are liking how I'm formatting the videos using the GoPro Hero Black, you know, because now you can actually view the video in my point of view or my perspective, okay? And I really think that it will be beneficial to you all, so you can actually see how I am performing the skill and you can get a better view of each individual step. Okay, so once again, before I leave, guys, smash that subscribe button, kick the like button on this video and all of my other videos. This helps my channel become more recognizable here in YouTube and also in Google. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload new content, you're going to want, yes, you are going to want to ring that notification bell. All right. Thank you guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for your continued support. And I'll see you all later. Ciao.